Hello and welcome to my new video. For today I prepare a special sewing project for scrap fabrics. I show you how to use them and sew this lovely bucket hat with white brim. Because let's face it, nothing will protect you better from sun than simple hat. It's a beginner-friendly tutorial as it's super easy. Plus, I made special free printable pattern for you. So, subscribe, comment, like, and let's sew it together! And here you can see ready bucket hat. I've made this short video straight after I came back from beach, and with hand on my heart I can say that this hat is awesome, 100% protectful and super comfy. Pity I didn't wear anything similar to this hat on my arms though. Thank you for watching, have a great day and most importantly, have fun!